We all know that educators from all sectors, especially adult educators, face many challenges as they deal with very complex and diverse learning situations. In the field of education, it is necessary to learn new technologies as the market is constantly changing. Educators should be familiar with technical development in a challenging socio-economic context to improve their work. There is an urgent need for adult educators to improve their ICT skills in teaching and learning context. It will help to meet the needs of the labor market and education system. The main aim of the project Upskillead is to provide adult educators with a comprehensive and professional development program for upgrading and upskilling their digital skills. The program is designed in the form of open educational online resources. Open badges allow learners to view their new skills and achievements. A badge consists of the image and description of competences. Open badge system is recognized by credible organizations. 6 project partners from 5 different European countries made research and based on the educators' needs created 6 ICT competence frameworks, digital upskilling curriculum and training material for adult educators for those 6 competences. All modules were tested through an in-house and online pilot training and improved through pilot tests and with the help of the group of experts from the advisory board. During the project, Upskillead mentors were also trained for giving efficient support to the learner in an E-Academy and for the whole process of awarding the badges.
Nowadays, we cannot imagine our everyday life without computers and internet, and the fact is that they seem to be everywhere around us. In order to bring the computer science and internet closer to the user, we developed within the project Upskillead different modules that are dealing with the activities and content that is connected to our everyday life and the work of adult educators. Experts from the field of computer science in connection with adult educators joined together and prepared the content, study cases and guidelines on how to use online safety, social media, learning management system, graphic design, web design and interactive whiteboard.
My name is Agnieszka Mrawinec and I have 7 years of experience in adult education. I decided to take part in the course organized by the Upskillead project. There are 6 main modules in the project and I decided to take part in the graphic design course. As a teacher, I have to be able to create eye-catching teaching resources that could be useful for my classroom. I had very basic knowledge of graphic design before the course and I wanted to upgrade my work by getting some new skills. I want my resources to look professional and be useful for my students. I got interested in the skills described in the graphic design course, for example, creating a logo, choosing the font, creating presentations, and some basic terminology for graphic design. Registration was very simple. I filled in the registration form, I confirmed my email and I started the course. The course started with the self-assessment test where I could check my current knowledge. After that, I read the ebook and I answered the questions from the final exam. After getting the positive results, I submitted answers for practical assignments and then I got a certificate in the form of an open badge. There are many skills I got after the course. For example, I've learned how to prepare a good presentation, how to choose the right colors, what fonts to use, and what the white space is. I highly recommend the course for all adult educators. I'm planning to take part in the web design course in the future, and I'm sure I use the new knowledge at my work.
Registration process is very easy. To start with, users must fill in the registration form on the website. Then it is possible to choose one of the 6 modules. After choosing a module, users fill in the self-assessment test in order to check their knowledge before entering the e-book. In the main part of the course, users learn from the prepared resources. At the end of the whole learning process, successful learners who reach the necessary 8% result earn a digital badge for each competence, which can be printed. The badge is an online representation of a skill they've earned. Because the system is based on an open standard, earners can combine multiple badges from different issuers to present the complete story of their achievements. Badges can be displayed whenever earners want them on the web and share them for employment, education, or lifelong learning.
All of the adult educators to take part in one of the courses organized by the Upskillead project. I think as adult educators we must constantly upgrade our skills.
Hello, my name is Dimitra Fodoxou and I represent the Educational and Research Center Emphasis. I would like to invite other organizations to endorse the open budget system for recognition and validation of skills.
Hello, my name is Latica Kavrakova. I represent the association Unique Partners from Bulgaria. I would like to invite you to support our efforts and sign up our petition, which promotes the digital agenda in the area of adult learning and the quality of adult education.
Hello, my name is Luis Ochoa. I represent the Research and Innovation in Education Institute from Poland. Our institute was in charge of the implementation and update of the e-learning platform and in charge of the learning management system course implementation. If you would like to have more information about the Upskillead project, please visit our homepage.
I'm Tjaša Kozjan and I represent DRPD Novo Mesto from Slovenia. I have been working on Upskillead project because I think it's very important for the adult educators and trainers to use it in order to implement the knowledge on youngsters, on students with whom they are working. So this way digital skills that they learn through Upskillead project can have impact on youngsters and this way the whole and wider society.
Hi everybody, my name is Antonio and I represent Pixel, an international training institution located in Florence, Italy. Pixel has more than 20 years experience in training adults and that's why we entered the Upskillead project. We gave our contribution to the production of all the intellectual outputs and now we are mentors of the Upskillead project. In particular, thanks to our experience, I would like to focus on the e-platform thanks to which we are now able to provide our adult educators with specific and quality digital skills that they can use with their adult learners.